Welcome to N90X. I'm your host, Joe. And this video is sponsored by my new book, Understanding the NetScaler SDX, available on iTunes and Amazon. So please help out this channel. Go there, check it out. You can buy it as an ebook or as a hard copy. And I really appreciate your support. So today I want to talk about drones. Now, I was looking for a drone for my kids. There we go. And I was researching drones for under $50. And I came across this one called the H36. This is the box. Wow, man, this doesn't like that. This is the box, the H36. It was 25 euros on Amazon, 25 euros. 5 euros shipping to Poland, where I live. And it came in that little box. It comes with the drone, a USB charger, and one battery, and extra blades, and a remote control. Now, what you don't know is how small these things are. These things are so tiny. It's unbelievable. So just, you typically see drones pretty big. This fits in the palm of your hand, this little drone, okay? And I'm not saying that's a problem. It is what it is. The problem with this H36 is they don't tell you that it has no automatic gyroscopic situation, hovering, right? And it says it's for ages 14 and up. I got this for my son who's 14, and even I try to control it. It's impossible to control this thing. So I certainly cannot recommend you get the H36. This is a piece of junk. I mean, it's very inexpensive, relatively speaking, but in terms of having fun with it, I don't know how you can have fun with it when you can't even control it. Definitely indoors. We tried controlling this indoors. You can't control the height. It just goes out of control. You can't. It's just impossible to control this thing. So the video that I saw of some Chinese guy demoing it, he was outdoors and he made it look really easy. And I don't even know if it was real or doctored, but this basically seems impossible to control. That's all I'm saying. And I cannot recommend it because it's uncontrollable, in my opinion. Unless you get like some really good skills. The remote control itself, it's pretty tiny, and it claims that it has a come home feature, so that if you get lost, you can hit a button, it should come home. I never had the opportunity to try that out because couldn't control the beast. It just was out of control. So as far as this one goes, this H36, I have to give it 2 thumbs down unless that's what you want. Unless you want a drone that's out of control, you can't control, and you just want to spend 25 euros plus shipping. If that's the case, well, maybe that's for you. But as a gift for a young person, it's not worth it because it's impossible to control, as I said. So I hate to repeat myself, but my review of the H36 is that it's crap. Unless you know what you're getting into and for some reason you want to get it. And it's so tiny. So in my next review, I'm going to be talking about the HS210, which looks a little something like that. And there'll be a link to it in the description box if you want to just jump to that one, and vice versa. We'll talk about this drone. A little bit different comments on this drone, even though it's about the same size. And I know this is a channel dedicated to the NetScaler, and I've got some new content that I'd like to share with you on the NetScaler. So please, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified of new content. And this is Joe from N90X. Thanking you for watching. Hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.